hello people. Welcome back once again to our channel, and we are here once again with lot many job openings currently that is available in the market and industry. Yes my dear friends, many of the openings have come at present in the market और मैं वो जॉब के अवसर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लेके आपके पास फिर से आ चुका हूँ. डायरेक्ट कंपनी कॉन्टैक्ट्स विल बी शेयर्ड विथ यू और द email IDs wherein you need to create a proper professional resume and apply it to the company as soon as possible because openings are getting filled very soon. The vacancies are getting filled soon, and therefore you have to do your work for yourself as soon as possible. So here we go with around 15 to 16 job openings, ठीक है, in around 10 to 15 companies having a vacancy of around 200 to 250 plus. Okay, so let's go ahead with this and hear to them one by one. So the first job opening is in Zudio store. You must have heard Zudio store. Connected with Tatas. So the job opening, I'm sharing the details here. You can take a note of it. आप देखते जाइए, मैं यहाँ पे शेयर करता हुआ जाता हूँ. The eligibility is minimum 10th pass, 10th standard pass or 12th. Graduate will be getting added advantage. The salary structure has been shared here. Your work will be at Zudio store. ठीक है. The final work will be explained by the people, the concerned people who are जिनका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स मैं यहाँ पे या कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स यहाँ पे शेयर करता जाता हूँ. यू नीड टू अप्लाई, गेट इन टच विद देम एंड गेट टू नो कि what is the entire JD all about, job description. It is basically a marketing executive at the store. The second is job opportunity again in the retail industry. You will be working with Reliance Hamleys, the store. This is mainly a work for 3 months starting from December, Jan, Feb, and then if you perform well, such companies also give you a chance for final placements. So all the best for this. I have shared here their email ID and you can apply. The next is a great opportunity that has come in. You're getting a chance to work with one of the most reputed 5-star hotels of Mumbai, that is Trident and Oberoi's. Opening has come recently through my networks and people who are connected, people who are working in that hotel. So the openings are mainly, I'm sharing here one by one in the post that you can see here left and right. It is mainly for therapist. Eligibility क्या है, age criteria क्या है, वो यहाँ पे mention कर रहा हूँ. बाकी चीज़ें you will have to apply, get in touch with them and get to know or get yourself updated with the information related to the job. So therapist के लिए है, housekeeping assistants के लिए they are looking for lobby attendants, laundry valet, parking valet, sommeliers, etc. So there are n number of diversified job profiles and vacancies available in this reputed hotel. So if you're looking for the same, do apply. If you're not looking for the one, please pass it on to the people, needy candidates or people looking for this job. Next opening is for one of the most reputed and popular retail company, you can say D-Mart, जहाँ पे हम सब जाते हैं शॉपिंग के लिए या कुछ खरीदी करने के लिए, FMCG products mainly. So D-Mart Vasai branch and Malad branch mainly has openings that I have got to know. You will have to visit the store personally, meet their HR manager or carry your resume and submit it to them. I'm just a mediator here, you can say, who is spreading this message through a social cause, through this channel and letting you know the vacancies that are available in the market which I come to know and helping the companies to get those vacancies filled. That's the only motto of this channel. The next opening that is coming up is Jam Outsource. I know some of these people personally very closely and work with them to get their vacancies filled. Jam Outsource BPO Malad, which is just 5 to 10 seconds from station literally, and they are mainly looking for US process and candidates with fluent English. The job location से लेके address plus the JD, the entire job description is being mentioned here with their contact details. Apply very soon to get a job for yourself. The next is for a junior accountant at Malad Malvani. The industry, the company in which the company and the industry is mentioned here, event and film art. The details of the candidate requirement is mentioned here and the number is mentioned. So if interested, do WhatsApp or message on the given number and then give a call. The next is urgent requirement for female male staff for HR executive position at Thane, outskirts of Mumbai. Education industry at 10 to 7 job है, salary 12 to 18,000. HR Rashida is the concerned person here and you can apply through her. The next is telecalling job है, थाने में ही है. 12th और ग्रेजुएशन पास आउट मिनिमम चाहिए. HR Rashida, you can contact, get in touch with. Next is field sales executive, insurance sector company. Borivali is the job location and 12 to 20,000 salary. Other details have been mentioned here. Eligibility criteria, qualifications से लेके timings, number, etc. You can apply. The next the company is looking for, it's a reputed company, Q Spiders team. They are mainly looking for n number of diversified portfolios, openings, designations, and good candidates. So they have openings in diversified fields, companies and industries that I have mentioned here one by one in some messages. Please, if you are genuinely interested, then only approach them on their numbers, otherwise mail your resume. They are mainly providing job openings, or you can say job opportunities, in a number of fields that have been mentioned here, starting from IT से लेके सारे डिटेल्स, इंजीनियर्स, नॉन इंजीनियर बैकग्राउंड, डेटा साइंस, जावा, पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग, सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट, सारी डिटेल्स मेंशन किया. इफ इंटरेस्टेड, जेन्युइनली डू अप्लाई. द नेक्स्ट इज कंपनी टेलीपरफॉर्मेंस ग्लोबल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड at Malad and Thane are looking for people are mainly looking for people into voice, chat and blended process, majorly voice. So details are mentioned here. Salary 25 to 35,000 for international process and for domestic 18 to 20,000. The next company is Gala Thermo, whom I know personally quite well. हमारे साथ काफ़ी सालों से इनमें से कुछ HR executives companies जुड़े हुए हैं. So next is back office assistants. Gala Thermo is looking for. Malad West is the job location and 25,000 around is the salary per month. 9:30 to 6 का job है. The next is company is looking for interns and candidates for full-time job mainly. 10,000 is the salary. Stipend बोल सकते हो because ये काम में आप accounting, finance सीखोगे. So mainly TY graduation pursuing candidates final year can apply for this job. विलेपार्ले location है, but hold for a while because they are as of now going through various resumes. If any vacancies, you will get a call through them. Same goes with other companies as well. Vijay Sales as well is looking for particular candidate who can work for their store as marketing executive, sales executive, back office, admin, accountant. और ये जो सारे कंपनीज के मैंने डिटेल शेयर किए हैं, ये कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप अप्लाई करोगे आपके क्वालिफिकेशन के हिसाब से, दैट इज जॉब स्पेसिफिकेशन, एंड उनके रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से, दैट इज जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन, अगर वो मैच हो जाए तो वो आपको ज़रूर कॉल करेंगे एंड यू कैन गो फॉर एन इंटरव्यू as per what and when they ask you for and try to crack this job. ठीक है. So if any additional job opening comes in by the time I release this video, I will be sharing it in the job description. job description में नीचे post कर दूंगा मैसेज में and then you can apply through it. ठीक है. I have shared here direct company email IDs, mobile numbers possibly, but say to it you maintain proper professionalism, follow basic professional etiquettes while writing a mail, proper resume format you will either get in Google, या तो मैंने description में link share किया है, उस पर भी click करके आप resume बना सकते हो. And while approaching them on call or through messages, WhatsApp or text messages, I request you to follow basic professional etiquettes because they are company professionals, quite busy with their work. I work with a reputed institute of Mumbai as a faculty, as a professor, working for colleges since last 15 years, guest faculty in some reputed colleges, and corporate consultant for business and the networking that I help people with in this candidate sourcing and getting them jobs or filling the vacancies for the company in HR profile. Thank you so much people for watching this particular video. I would humbly request you to help those people who are actually looking for a job by passing this video to them or sharing this particular link. The rest depends on you. If this video is worthful and works for you, you can share it, subscribe, like the video, and also click the bell icon so that you keep on getting updates. Otherwise not that needed. आप ये वीडियो को अच्छे से यूज़ कर लीजिए अपने लिए and that's more than enough. If any feedback to be given, if any suggestions to be given, if any job openings you want to share for future, my email ID is mentioned in the description and you can send me the details if you want through this. And once you get a job through our channel, please do let us know because this channel was started in lockdown जस्ट फॉर सोशल कॉज. हमने ये मुहिम शुरू की थी कि लोगों की नौकरियां जा रही थी दोस्तों और बहुत बुरा लग रहा था और हमारे पास टच वुड बहुत सारे सोर्सेज थे जहां पे कंपनीज को भी ये वैकेंसीज फिल करनी थी एंड देयरफॉर वी ट्राइड टू ब्रिज द गैप बिटवीन कैंपस टू कॉर्पोरेट एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम सोसाइटी टू कॉर्पोरेट. वन लास्ट थिंग, इफ एनी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी और कंसल्टेंसी और numbers, HRs, etc. are charging some amount from you to get a job on the pretext of giving you a job through our channel. So we are not connected monetarily, or we are not into with contract with any of the companies under monetary consideration. So आप अगर किसी को पे कर रहे हो कोई कंसल्टेंसी को, तो आप अपने रिस्क पे या अपने सोच विचार के साथ उनको भरिए या पे कीजिए. मेरे हिसाब से कंपनीज में बहुत ओपनिंग्स है एंड दे आर लुकिंग फॉर कैंडिडेट्स लाइक यू. सो देयर इज नो नीड टू पे फॉर दिस. जो जॉब्स मैंने यहाँ शेयर किया, बट हाँ अगर कुछ कंसल्टेंसीज है जो आपको एश्योरेंस दे रहे हैं वगैरह वगैरह, वो आप डिसाइड कीजिए, बिकॉज वो उनका बिजनेस है. इफ दे आर प्रोफेशनल इनफ टू गेट यू अ गुड जॉब, देन योर विश, यू कैन रिसर्च अ बिट एंड देन गो फॉर इट. हमारे चैनल पे ऐसा अगर कोई करता है तो अगर उनका पॉलिसी है तो आप मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा. बट वी आर नॉट एनी वेयर कनेक्टेड विथ एनी मॉनेटरी टर्म्स विथ एनी कंपनीज. वी प्रोवाइड फ्री, वी सोर्स फ्री जॉब्स, job references for you here, and we also don't charge from the candidates. That's it from our end, my dear friends. Take care of yourself, do apply, और अगर जॉब मिल जाता है हमारे चैनल पे तो do comment or let us know on our email ID. We will be very happy and will be wishing best of luck once again for your future. नमस्ते दोस्तों, सत श्री अकाल और आदाब.